Hello, this is Logan. Fish.
Logan enjoys fish because the taste is rich, savory, and sometimes slightly sweet depending on the species. When Logan cooks fish, the texture becomes soft and flaky, which makes it easy to eat and very satisfying. Some fish feel delicate and buttery, while others are firmer and meatier, giving Logan many different eating experiences from the same category of seafood. Fish is also highly valued for its nutrition. Logan knows that fish contains a large amount of protein that helps support muscle strength and body repair. In addition to protein, fish is widely known for its omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, brain function, and overall body balance. These nutrients are one of the main reasons Logan chooses fish when he wants food that is both delicious and beneficial for his health. Fish also contains vitamins such as vitamin D and vitamin B12, which help maintain energy and support the nervous system. Because fish lives in oceans, rivers, and lakes around the world, Logan can find many varieties in markets and restaurants. This wide availability is another reason fish has become one of the most common types of seafood eaten by people across many cultures. For Logan, fish is a reliable seafood choice because it offers a pleasant flavor, a tender texture, and strong nutritional benefits that help him stay energized and healthy throughout the day.
Shrimp.
Logan likes shrimp because the flavor is naturally sweet with a light savory taste that becomes richer when cooked. When Logan eats shrimp, the texture feels firm yet tender, giving a satisfying bite without being tough. Even though shrimp are small, Logan knows they contain many useful nutrients. Shrimp is a strong source of protein that helps support muscle strength and daily activity. It also contains minerals such as iodine and selenium, which help support metabolism and protect the body's cells. Shrimp also provides vitamin B12, which helps maintain healthy nerves and energy levels. Another reason Logan enjoys shrimp is that it cooks very quickly and easily absorbs seasoning, allowing it to fit into many different dishes. Shrimp is harvested and farmed in many coastal regions, which makes it widely available around the world. Because of its sweet flavor, balanced texture, and helpful nutrients, Logan sees shrimp as a seafood that combines good taste with practical health benefits.
Crab.
Logan enjoys crab because the meat has a gentle sweetness and a rich seafood flavor. When Logan eats crab, he notices the meat is soft and slightly flaky, especially in the legs and claws. This tender texture makes crab easy and enjoyable to eat. Crab is also valued for its nutrition. Logan knows crab meat contains protein that helps maintain muscle strength and support body repair. It also provides vitamin B12, which supports nerve health and energy production. Crab also contains minerals such as zinc that help support the immune system. Crabs live in oceans and coastal waters, which is why they are commonly harvested as seafood. Because of its balanced taste, soft texture, and useful nutrients, Logan sees crab as a seafood that offers both flavor and nourishment.
Lobster.
Logan appreciates lobster because the flavor is rich and slightly sweet with a deeper seafood taste. When Logan eats lobster, the texture feels firm yet tender, especially in the tail where most of the meat is found. This combination creates a satisfying eating experience. Lobster also contains useful nutrients. Logan knows lobster provides a high amount of protein that supports muscle health and body repair. It also contains minerals such as zinc and selenium that help support the immune system. Lobster also provides vitamin B12, which helps maintain nerve function and energy levels. Lobsters live in the ocean and often grow slowly, which is one reason they are sometimes considered valuable seafood. For Logan, lobster stands out because it offers rich flavor, firm texture, and strong nutrition.
Oyster.
Logan finds oysters interesting because their flavor carries a clear taste of the ocean that can be slightly salty and sometimes mildly sweet. When Logan eats oysters, the texture feels very soft and smooth, which makes them different from many other seafood types. This delicate texture creates a unique eating experience. Oysters are also known for their strong nutritional content. Logan knows oysters contain very high levels of zinc, which supports the immune system and helps the body maintain healthy cells. They also provide protein, iron, and vitamin B12, which helps support energy and healthy blood. Oysters grow attached to rocks or reefs in coastal waters inside two hard shells. Because they gather minerals from the ocean, they develop strong nutritional value. For Logan, oysters are a seafood that offers a unique flavor and important nutrients.
Squid.
Logan enjoys squid because the taste is mild with a light seafood flavor that easily absorbs seasoning. When Logan eats squid, the texture feels slightly chewy but becomes tender when cooked properly. This gentle chewiness gives squid a unique texture compared to many other seafood foods. Squid also provides useful nutrients. Logan knows squid contains protein that helps maintain muscle strength and support daily activity. It also contains minerals such as selenium and phosphorus that help protect cells and support bone health. Squid lives in oceans around the world and is commonly harvested as food. Because of its mild taste, unique texture, and nutritional value, Logan sees squid as a practical and enjoyable type of seafood.
Octopus.
Logan finds octopus interesting because the flavor is mild with a subtle sweetness. When Logan eats octopus, the texture can be slightly chewy, but when it is cooked slowly it becomes tender and pleasant to eat. This balance between tenderness and chewiness gives octopus a distinctive seafood texture. Octopus also contains valuable nutrients. Logan knows it provides protein that supports muscle development and body repair. It also contains iron, which helps the blood carry oxygen and maintain energy. Octopuses live in oceans around the world, often hiding among rocks on the seafloor. Because they come from the sea and provide useful nutrients, they are widely eaten as seafood. For Logan, octopus offers a mild flavor, unique texture, and helpful nutrition.
Cuttlefish.
Logan likes cuttlefish because the taste is gentle and slightly sweet with a light ocean flavor. When Logan eats cuttlefish, the texture feels tender and smooth, making it easy to chew and enjoyable to eat. Compared to some other seafood, cuttlefish has a softer bite while still feeling satisfying. Logan also knows cuttlefish provides useful nutrition. It contains protein that helps support muscle strength and daily body activity. It also contains minerals such as iron and selenium that help support blood health and the immune system. Cuttlefish are marine animals related to squid and octopus, and they live in ocean waters around the world. Because they provide both flavor and nutrients, they are commonly used as seafood in many coastal regions. For Logan, cuttlefish offers mild flavor, tender texture, and balanced nutrition.